We'll guide you through how to put text on wall in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, please make sure that Photoshop is open and you have a high-quality photo of a blank wall ready. Go directly to File, then Open, and select your wall image to load it into the main Photoshop workspace. First, we need to type our text. Accurately select the horizontal type tool safely located on the left toolbar. Click directly on the loaded image and carefully type your desired text. Use the convenient top menu to adjust the font size and the specific color. Once your text is completely typed, look closely at your Layers panel located on the bottom right side. Right-click on your text layer and select Rasterize Type. This critical step successfully converts your text into a standard, fully editable image layer. Now, we need to match the visual perspective of the wall. Go to the top menu, firmly click on Edit, smoothly hover over Transform, and select Distort. You will see a convenient bounding box with tiny squares located on the corners of your text. Click and drag each corner square to perfectly match the exact angle and perspective of your wall image. Firmly press the Enter key directly on your computer keyboard to safely confirm and completely apply the active distortion. To successfully make the text look highly realistic, it absolutely needs to beautifully blend with the wall texture. In your Active Layers panel, accurately find the Blend Mode drop-down menu, which usually says Normal. Firmly click the drop-down and carefully change the blend mode directly to Multiply or Overlay, completely, depending on your specific wall color. Next, securely right-click your active text layer once again and accurately select blending options. At the absolute bottom of the Open Layer Style window, carefully look for the specific blend if section and heavily focus on the underlying layer slider. Firmly hold down the Alt key or Option on Mac directly on your keyboard. Click the small white triangle on the right side of the slider and drag it slightly to the left. This specific action splits the triangle and forces the bright highlights of the wall texture to show straight through your text. Firmly click OK to successfully apply the final effect, and your text is now perfectly painted on the wall.